How to download audio from Tumblr. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video, we will learn how we can download audio from Tumblr. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, log in into tumblr.com. Once you're logged in, now find the audio that you want to download. Once you have your audio, select the post, right click on the post, and here click on inspect. Once you're under the inspect, navigate to this menu bar at the top. Click on network. After you do that, you could play or pause your audio on this tab right here. So play your audio. Here now you have to look for the media. So here these are the audio that you can download. Now you have to right click on the audio under this name tab and here click on open a new tab. That's gonna take you to this piece. Here you can play the audio. If you want to download the audio, click on this three dot icon and here now click on download. After that, the audio will be downloaded in your device. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.